watch it from here. Yeah, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to wait till it comes back from Tampa. Should be crossing over the diamond right about now. There he goes. There's a phase 7 there trailing. Oh, rippy darn. Gotta wait till it comes back now.
One clear Plant City, and walking clear Plant City. Hold out over.
Here he comes, PO 41. Amtrak PO 41 from Chicago to Miami with a 301 Heritage unit and a phase 7 PO 42 trailing. That'll be it. Kind of hard to see, but its signal is green. All right, here comes PO 40 from Miami to Chicago. He'll be coming over that hill in just a few seconds. And there he is. I see the headlights coming over. Here he comes. So we're gonna get him set up.
Track engine 163 south, clear Plant City, hold out, clear Plant City, airlock.
Also, Aaron's on board. So here comes PO 40. Here we go. Amtrak PO 40 from Miami to Chicago. And the Crossie's gonna do its tail ring thing. Yep. It's doing its tail ring thing. It's doing its tail ring thing. It does that when the train goes over the opposite sensor.
Amtrak engine 163 south, clear, nothing to cherry.
should time out in a few seconds. There it goes.
Alright.
Yep. I know. But anyways, that will be it. Alright, we're in Citadel, Georgia. We're trying to like get a train though, but I haven't heard anything on the radio yet. Even I haven't heard the EOD chirp yet. But this is a really nice town here. And surprisingly, those crossings over there does not have like have bells there. So this just only have gates and lights here at that crossing. That crossing is Old Coffee Road crossing. So I don't know if we're gonna get anything coming on that line on the NS Macon district. Because I heard it's one of the busiest lines in Georgia, I believe. Because the NS Macon district runs from Atlanta to Valdosta. So I don't know if we're gonna get anything coming. Sorry, the audio kind of muted there, but obviously because due to the copyright music that is playing in the background, so I had to mute the audio. So anyways, I was about to say the train we're catching was a local train though, because it said a L symbol there that was running from somewhere, I don't know, to Winston Yard, I believe. It was one of the shortest train I ever seen, though, even though it said 200 axles from that defect detector audio I heard from Vitus, though. I didn't pick up the one at Dade City's defect detector because it was too staticky and it was too far out because a lot of trees were blocking it there anyways. And since we're traveling, heading to Dade City, but then within the next few minutes there, we actually managed to get them on time. I only have like 5 seconds to get out, otherwise it would have been too late. And just waiting for a few more minutes, as soon as it came by, we actually chased it a little bit until we get to Vitus Junction. So yeah, you will see that in just a few minutes. So also, in case you guys didn't even subscribe, please be sure to subscribe to me so you don't miss any other contents like this one. So anyways, enjoy the rest of the video. Just in time. That was a short train. That was probably CSX M603, I believe. If it is confirmed or not, though. But just in time for that train there. That could not happen any better there. That was actually perfect timing. In Dade City, Florida. Oh, we're actually chasing it actually still. It's probably be like M603, I believe, if it is this symbol. Let's see what the conductor will say. It's approaching Richland crossover. See, we're currently chasing it. I just saw approach limited. Slow down. Oh no, there's a clear, so he's going to continue on the Vitus sub. I think it said M603 though, that's what it said on the scanner, so that could be right though. So he's probably going to go to Winston Yard because the defect detector is just right up ahead.
south. 4766 south.
Yeah, there's the defect detector. So, let's listen to it.
CFX detector, milepost 836.5, track main 1.
Here comes the full DD transmission. It should go off again for the full transmission.
CFX detector, milepost 836.5, track main 1. No. Repeat, no defect. Total axle 200. Detector out.
Count no defects. L74320 clear and local. Track 1 single main south. 4766 south.
Yeah, it was L743 this time. I thought it was something else, but it was L743. But with that being said, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.